Okay, so as it says on the screen, this is meant to be a demonstration of the printer hesitation problems I've been encountering with this really beautiful beast, this HP 9730E, which is a A4, A3 duplex printer, scanner, blah blah. So I've set it to print and just find where my cursor is. There we go, print. And here's the printer having a little think. And we've got a hesitation problem. Those rollers at the front are going around, but nothing's happening. So it would take about a minute and a half for this to actually do something. In the meantime, I've been an HP user since 1975 in the big commercial mini computers, so I've been a user for 18 years by the time of this conference. Anyway, back to the printer. Oh! Just to show you that it wasn't exactly caused by any complex printing, that's all it did.